Hey guys, what's up? Tech King here with King City Customs. We got another video for you. So today we have a guy from out of town, brought us his Impala. The trunk, the wiring in the vehicle is all kinds of crazy. Like, I'm not here to bash the guy, I'm not here to bash whoever did it, I'm not bashing anybody. What I want to do is I want to show what can be done with what you have. There's simple little things you can do with your sound system to make it look better, even sound better, just perform better overall. Today we're going to talk about looks. He has one Scar 2500. I think it's an RPK 2500. One Scar 2500 wired inside of his car right now to two 18-inch Incriminator audio death penalties. He's got 3 Deca Intimidator Group 31 batteries. The problem is the wiring. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a minute when I show the clip. It's pretty bad. I mean, fuck, we've all been there. It's what happens when you start out with good intentions and then you just keep changing little stuff around and you've kind of got to make do with what you got, and in the end you've got a huge mess. I mean, it happens, so what we're going to do today is we're going to make it look a lot better. We're going to build an amp rack for it. We're going to build a battery box for it. We're going to build a false floor for the trunk because it doesn't even have that cardboard mesh stuff. I mean, it doesn't even have any kind of floor in it. So, he's got an additional Scar 2500 that we're also adding. We're going to build a battery box, and then I'm possibly going to stack the amps on top of the battery box. I'm still going to leave room for the batteries to come in and out of their own area. I'm going to leave room for the batteries to be disconnected, because if you get what would be the roof of the battery box too close to the terminals and you can't get tools in there, it's a huge mess. We've dealt with it before. If I put a battery box in there and I get to looking and there's just not enough room to comfortably stack the 2 Scar 2500s on top of the batteries, we'll put them in front or on the sides or something. We'll see. But for now, I'm going to show you guys what we're looking at, and you guys feel free to tell me in the comments what you think I should do, or well, I guess what I should have done, because this video is that'll be way done before I even upload this video. So yeah, feel free to give me your thoughts and opinions in the comments. Thanks guys. Here you go. We're gonna stack the batteries, and then it'll be amp and amp, and then the 4-channel we'll put probably on that wheel well or this wheel well. Like I said, I'm gonna do a complete wall-to-wall floor in here, and we're going to put some of that gray charcoal trunk, it looks like this, but it's a little bit lighter. That way it looks factory. This is what we got now. We got everything pulled out. We've got wires separated. We've pulled out stuff that we probably won't need, and we've actually already built the new floor panels. I'll show you that in a bit. And now we're about to work on the battery box for the Deca Intimidator Group 31 AGMs. This is the pieces for it. I'm going to assemble this, carpet them, and then we'll be able to start working on the amp rack itself. So we're going to carpet that battery box black probably, and the rest of the carpet in there is, as I said, the charcoal gray color that matches the interior carpet. So yeah. Alrighty, we got the first panel in. This part's separate from that, so you can still get to his spare tire. Once we get this all in, he gets the factory trim panels put back in. This will be looking a lot better. So I got the battery box completed. It is right here. I know it looks kind of like hemorrhagamic because I just spray painted the inside, but you won't even be able to see the inside. I only did that to finish up the seams between the batteries, because you will see a glimpse of the inside between the batteries. All right guys, so after a long day, we are finally coming to a close here. We've got the floor in, we have the battery box in, the batteries are wired up. Now we're going to put amps in. They're going to go over here, standing up probably. We're going to stack them like that. And then again, the 4-channel will probably go over here somewhere, mounted on this, where this kill mat is at. Something similar, because it's a smaller Scar 4-channel. So as soon as we get that done, we'll be able to move on and finish out this bad puppy back here. You guys have not seen that yet, but you will in a future video. So not the box. The box is, yeah, this. So all right, we're gonna finish this up, and then I'll get you guys an after, and then at the end of the video I'll give you a before and after clip. So all right guys, we got it done. We just going to show you real quick what we're looking like here. I mean, you've seen the before, here's the after. He's going to get the stock trim panels for the sides here, and we've got his 2 bass amps and his 4-channel amp hooked up, and then the batteries. We still got to do something with this bass knob wire. I'm going to tuck it with the RCAs. Sorry, ignore that for now. But yeah, so this is the after. Whew, it's been a long day, but we got her done. So now we're gonna move on to this thing. Like I said, future video, you'll see it. Thank you for watching, guys. Sorry we didn't do too many action shots while we were building. We were in a hurry. We had to knock all this out in a day, and there was a lot to be done. So thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. Please like, share this video, subscribe to King City Customs, follow King City Customs on Facebook at facebook.com/King City Customs. Have a nice day, guys.